Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Destiny Road in Fisch Roblox. So the Destiny Road is one of the most powerful and confident fishing roads in Fisch. And to get the road, first you need to make sure that you have at least 70% in your all bestiary in here, and also at least you got 190k of your money, the amount of money. And after that, here you can just head into the statue of sovereignty to get the road. This one, statue of sovereignty, to just head into there. So after you see the statue, you can just turn right. Until you see the arch, the arch island. Then just find the Kalia and you can just buy the road. So that's how you can get the Destiny Road in Fisch. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.